Alright guys, down on the track here, another beautiful day in the site, and just loaded a university campus in Brisbane, and rock and roll as the guys just opened the way for me, and I gotta really go. So let's see this one here, and sorry for my hands, a bit in a hurry here. Let's see where this tipping site is. Another beautiful day, sunshine, and off we go. Hope you guys are having a good view. Had a great weekend surfing, and Saturday was great, no winds, great waves, and Sunday blasty winds, so great kite surfing actually. Really enjoy. There we go.
Head southwest on West Creek Road towards Science Road.
Let's see. Alrighty, nice and tight. Very slow digging, lots of rocks. There's a trench they're digging 150 meters in length, and they cannot accumulate dirt, so they're always waiting for me to come back in order to be able to load again. So I'll try to do my best. Right, super nice guys. Tipper track on West Creek Road, driving towards Ring Road, exiting the site.
Turn left onto Ring Road.
It's only one way here. Bloody hell, not good. It's gonna take forever.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, actually it's gonna make a U-turn on the roundabout. So this is a massive campus, beautiful. Engineering, technology and aviation. Wow. Aviation brings up good memories.
Yep.
Lots of speed bumps as well. Lots of people in and out here, so I have to be very cautious and go very slow, around 20 k's an hour or less. Full of speed bumps anyway as well. Speed humps. At the beginning I thought were bumps, but they are humps actually. H-U-M-P, it's correct term. Humps, speed humps. Beautiful campus, wow. Makes me feel like I want to go back studying. Aviation technology, interesting. Although there's not much going on in the aviation industry right now. So I'm not sure it's a good feel there.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Griffith Road.
lots of koalas around here, so really speed limit restricted. 20 k's evening after dusk, and 40 k's during the day. Koala zone. It would be nice to see one chewing on a gum tree. Here we go, finally the main road, huh? Just exiting the side now, wow. Time I'm gonna leave it in second gear with exhaust brakes engaged, all because it's getting quite steep at the end. Not good. It's pumping too much on the brakes.